Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this mirror. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, keep watching. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. For this next DIY, you're going to want to get yourself a round mirror. This is a 12-inch mirror. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I also got some spray paint. Then I have 8 packs of these little square mirrors. I also got these from Hobby Lobby. Then I'm going to also be using this foam board. This is from the Dollar Tree. And then I have my glue sticks and glue gun. So what I did was I spray painted the foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using this duct tape. This is from Hobby Lobby. I will also be using this duct tape, also from Hobby Lobby. This 527 glue, this is from Walmart, and this box cutter. This is Josie, she's the loudmouth. So this is who you're hearing in the background. So I'm just gonna, I know that I spray painted this, but I'm gonna still use this duct tape because I started putting it and I was noticed that you could still see a lot of it. So I put the tape all on this board. It doesn't matter that it has wrinkles because you're not gonna really see it. And then before I start gluing it, I'm gonna first put all my mirrors around the way I want it before I even start gluing. And I didn't say that I was going to be using E6000, but I will be using it. So I'm going to be doing this until I have 4 rolls. So this is how I'm placing them down before I glue them.
This is glue 527 that we got at Walmart. We're gonna be using this with hot glue also. We're first gonna start off with gluing the round mirror. So we're gonna be using the hot glue for the little ones, and that's because we want it to dry fast. But if you did want to do this, you can use E6000 or the 527 glue. And we're gonna be doing that throughout the entire, all the mirrors basically. It's finished. And then we're gonna be going on to the second row. As you can see, there is a lot of like the string from the glue, but after it's done, it's really easy to peel off and it doesn't mess up the glass or the mirror. This is the second row that we did. We're getting on to the third row. As you can see, this is how the second row came out. And on to the third row. Now we are on to the fourth row. As you can see, these are our 3 rows right here. If you wanted it like that, you can leave it like that. But now we're going on to our 4th row. And again, like I said, with the string, you don't have to worry about that. As you can see, I took a lot of it off already. So this is the mirror with the 4 rows. As you can see, we've done them all, and it's still attached to the styrofoam board. We're gonna be using the box cutter to cut around the edge, and we're gonna just be cutting around the edge, and this is basically gonna be the base of it. So we're just finished up our last row, and as you can see here, most of the string has been removed. You can just move your hand around like that with it and it'll come off. Just be careful because some of the mirrors are a little sharp on the corners. Now with the box cutter, I'm holding the board up so that I don't ruin the table. And also it does go right through, so it is easier when you hold the board up. And I'm just going around the outside. I'm getting in as close to the mirrors as I can. Now with the glue and the tape, we're just putting some of the glue, the hot glue, and whatever tape is remaining, we're just putting it underneath the board. And we're just going to be doing that throughout the entire board.
This hook on the back, just so that I can put on the wall.